Cats are literal bird assassins. Dead ass. Everyone thinks cats are cute, but FR, they're the most efficient wildlife liquidators on the planet. First, outdoor cats execute 2.4 billion birds in the US every year. Second, a single cat can obliterate entire bird colonies. One wiped out to 25 endangered terns in a week. Third, scientists found cats torture prey for up to 4 hours before the kill. But here's the blood-curdling twist. Their purring at 26 hairs actually attracts small animals, making the hunt a horror movie. Who else is side-eyeing their cat right now?